Okay, guys. First ride on a monster. Oh, man, look at that sound. Natakot ako. I might end up over there. Ugh. Ayan. Here we go. Let her go first. Aha. Aha. Nadidinig nyo ba ako? Wow. I feel yung ito. Yeah, hirap yan takbo na mabilis. Oh. Ano na kagad? Oh my god. Ay. Ano pa lang yun, ha? Konting quick run. Scary. Can't even go a second. It is really scary. Talaga pag inano mo. I know why people love this bike because of this. Look at that acceleration. First gear lang yun, guys. Hindi ako makatakbo na mabilis. Kasi I might lose control on the curves. Oh? No, let's go back. Come on. That is fun though. We'll go back for a longer test ride dito sa Ducati mismo. Can't even do anything here. Masyadong mabilis. Eh? I love that sound though. This is one bike na ano, kaya lang sipin mo, holding on that clutch is like, wow, really holding on to that clutch. Yeah. Well, anyways, finish na tayo dito. Scary monster talaga. Konting whoop. Yeah. Shit, yeah. Totoo yun.
2 seconds, 100. Wala man.
Hindi nga makapagsegunda. Man, mga riders, I know why.
Sipin mo, makina ng Desert X yan, ng rally bike.
Yeah. Desert X bike.
Desert X, yung adventure.
Well, now let's go for the final ride, guys. Well, guys, final bike ng Ducati, and I'm gonna finally ride a Multistrada. Yes. Woo! Wow, smooth. Unlike yun. The monster talaga mararamdaman mo. Okay, so let's go. Alright. Hindi ko lang kaya ito eh, ano. At least this is smoother and gentler. Oh, yan, oh. Oh, I didn't even know it's in second. Wow. Meron siguro to. Oh yeah, meron niya. There's a slipper clutch. Kaya lang. Wow. Ang sarap niya iliko. And it's very gentle. I don't know why I even clutched it. At least ito, I could do this easily. Unlike yung ano. Sorry yung chopping because this is a very slow track anyway, so. Let's go back now. Very magaan. It's for a big bike. For something that's over 1 liter. Magaan siya, magaan. Easy to move around. You know, it's so easy. At home. Yeah. Anyways, tapos na tayo. Next time we'll have a better test drive nito. Considering gano'ng kalaki siya, it's very light to flick around. Yeah. Scary, moderate, fun, scary. So now we'll try a cruiser bike. Sorry guys, happy ko next time, pero let's try it this time. Ayan, oh. In all honesty, this is gonna be the first time I'm actually gonna be riding a cruiser bike, and it's gonna be a problem with the gearing because it's pushed forward. See? Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Ganda ng tulog na yan, no? Ano? This is nice though. I like it. Yeah, except for medyo naka-stretch ako. I know cruiser bikes are ganito, but it is fun. Abitin lang guys. Sarap sana ihataw. See? Sarap sana ihataw to, kaya lang hindi ko mahataw. Sarap ihataw to, no? Pero hindi tayo makakahataw. Yeah, cruiser bike. Maybe in the future, but not now. Ayan, ha, ha, ha. Cameraman, oh, may cameraman tulog. Tutulog yung cameraman ko. Yeah guys, so finally Indian, Ducati and Inteljet ang ride natin. But don't worry, ano lang ito, this is just a test ride. We'll actually be able to review this at ano sa Ducati Clark. So yan. And thank you to the folks here at Marketplace and Access Plus. Sila yung nag-ano nitong event nito. And next time guys, we'll do the actual review, and hopefully we'll be able to do a long ride on all the bikes that we tested. Okay, so guys, see you next time. What? Subscribe and always click the like button if you like the videos, and always keep the comments down below. We like that. Okay, so guys, additional note, Moto Market is already here in Angeles City. Open na sila since March pa pala, hindi ko lang alam. Wow, so ano tayo, out of tune sa Angeles City. Okay, so see you guys next time.